What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and to another episode of the 2019 STi build. So what we're doing today is all of the interior stuff. We have to install all new airbags, put the new seatbelts in that we got back from Safety Restore. They completely rebuilt those, replaced the airbag module. Well, that was rebuilt by Safety Restore as well. Bobby is gonna do her deep cleaning as usual. That is her favorite mod of the day. So yeah, ton of stuff to get done today. And never really messed with airbags before, so we should be able to figure it out. It shouldn't be too bad. But first things first, let's go pull out all the airbags that we got shipped into us, make sure we got all the right stuff, and get to work. So the goal by the end of today is to have this interior looking how it should. So we got an airbag blowing right there. We got the steering wheel bag, the knee bag, the curtain bag over there as well, and a bunch of poop laying around. You want to clean up the poop? Bobby said there was a condom in here somewhere. I haven't been able to spot that yet. I don't really want to find it.
I'll show you.
Bobby wants to show us real quick. Hold up.
Hey, it's a Chick-fil-A wipe. No, I think I already thrown it away.
Bobby said she already throwed it away, so.
Threw it away.
All right, well, let's do this thing. We gotta get the trunk open too, which is kind of hard. I connected power. It's not hard. I gotta figure out what was arcing out because I connected power and it started sparking. So we gotta get the trunk open and get this thing 100% cleaned on the inside, and then hopefully tomorrow we can put the motor in. That'd be dope. So we have every single thing we need for the interior laid out. Huge thank you to Safety Restore for rebuilding our seatbelts and our airbag module. If you guys are doing a car rebuild and you need your seatbelts fixed, I'll have them first linked down in the description box below. And then yeah, new curtain bags, steering wheel bag, knee bag, and then all the other plastics we took out to get to this stuff. What should we do first, babe? Swap airbags or do some cleaning?
I say the airbags. I need everything 100% good before I do the cleaning.
Alright, so let's do some airbags real quick. It should be good, or easy, I mean. This one is literally 2 bolts. Swap out.
Okay, let's get that one done first. Ooh, your tool sauce.
Okay. Why are you picking your nose behind the camera?
I'm not. I was itching.
First one we're gonna do is this knee bag. Should be really easy. It looks like it's already unbolted. Oh wait, I already had it unbolted. That was me that did it.
Can I see?
That's easy to replace. We gotta get this key off here.
Oh yeah.
This is annoying.
Do you have a wire cutter?
It's just really in my way, you know. It's kind of grinding my gears.
This is a little heavy duty for that.
Shoot.
Oh. Damn, baby. You mess around. Can I see what the key fob looks like?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Plug that in. Put clip back in. Damn, they make this life way too easy for me. Done. The next step is the airbag module. This guy is very easy to install. We did have to take quite a bit out to get it removed, but let me show you guys where it goes. So she's gonna sit like that. Easy enough, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Done. Alright, tighten up the nuts and we are done with that. I do want to get the radio in because it's just, you know, very incomplete looking.
It is.
So we got the airbag module installed. Now we got to get this radio in, and this wiring on this car is so tight. And there's about 1,000 wires. See all that? I'm gonna plug all that in. It's gonna be fun. So let's do the thing. So the radio's in. We're gonna slap in the vents right now.
Is that in all the way? I just don't want to ruin anything.
Not bad at all. Alright, so we got the old steering wheel airbag off, and as you can see, it melted on the wiring plugins that run from the clock spring. So we're gonna either have to replace the clock spring or somehow buy just the new wiring plugins and splice them in. But we got all that situated. I think we could save the wiring and the clock spring. I think all that is good. I don't think the clock spring goes bad when the airbag goes off. But we got all that figured out, got the steering wheel back on. The whole steering column needed a little bit of tweaking, so we got all that figured out. So we just gotta figure out what to do with the wiring. I got that kick panel back on, that airbag's on. Yeah, making some really good progress. I think next we are gonna move to these curtain airbags. These are the airbags that's bugging both Bobby and I the most. So let's get those swapped out, and then from there we got seat belts, and we'll pretty much be finished up with the airbags of this interior. Ah!
Devin got caught by an STi.
Get this thing off me. Damn it. Like, who puts airbags way up here?
Baby, when you're in a wreck, you go everywhere.
Well, goodbye.
Hello.
We got one little clip. Can you toss me that little green thing?
Look, there's blood.
Where?
Right there.
It looks like poop. I think someone had a dung dirty issue. For sale, brand new curtain airbag, $500. Okay, which one? The things are kind of a pain. Look at the headliner. Show them the headliner. Look, the outs already. They pulling out.
It says left and right.
Where?
And this one's the right hand side, this one's the left.
So do we just take out left?
Yeah.
Oh man, having these stupid curtains out of the way is gonna be so handy. Alright, well, yeah guys, easy enough. We're gonna swap these guys out, get the headliner back in place because it's completely out.
You still have this side to take out too.
Yeah. Bang them out and we are good to go. And then what do we do next? Seatbelts?
Mm-hmm.
Seatbelts should be easy. It's not easy, it's just time consuming, you know? That makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that was really good. This is the lost airbag. We can't even put that one in because of the wires.
Oh yeah.
This is, yeah. Damn, we are making too much progress today. Curtain bags are in, roof liners in, or headliners in. Let's slap in the seat belts, and then we should have some plastic to slap on there. That's like 2 minutes worth of work. Not a big deal, but these things may take a little moment. Huh.
They look very complicated.
Do they? See how they're not locked up now?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet.
I'm gonna get these in, guys. Can't really show you because it's kind of, you know, hidden behind some seats and stuff. Maybe if I put it on right, it'd probably work better, huh? Oh wait, should I put the seal on first? Yeah, where's the seals? How do I know which one's which, though?
You look at the curvature. Ooh, that definitely looks like a right-hand side door piece.
Right. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
You're right. Ooh. Ooh, you can really dance.
Just like butter.
Butter?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. It's a tight squeeze back there. Is that proper?
Yeah, I think
Looks
so.
fairly proper. Bam! Knocking it out of the park, son. The side is done. Look at that.
Beautiful.
We even close the door, it's so done.
Wow, that's really done.
Alright, so what do we got left? Center console and that's it. You're gonna start cleaning this thing or what, dude?
Been waiting all day.
So we got the inside all back together except for the center console that has to wait for the tranny to go in. But Bobby is gonna do some things and vacuum it out. So what else? Are you gonna clean the windows and all that too, or just a vacuum and a... Yeah, just vacuum it out, get all this glass out of here. There's a ton of glass laying around. Not bad at all. I know it's a little bit dark, guys, but here's what Bobby ended up with on the interior of the STi. This thing came out super freaking clean. We do have the original carpet floor mats for that, so we'll be swapping those out, and then we have to figure out what we have to do with this clock spring. So if you guys have any ideas what to do here, I want to just replace these wires. I'm pretty sure it's possible. I haven't done much research though, so we got to figure out what to do there. We can get that airbag on, and then we have to buy a new rear view mirror because that one was not included with this car. And then what else? Oh yeah, this upper console cover right here, it had some broken tabs on it, so we'll swap that out with a new one. And this interior of the STi is going to be mint, literally mint condition. Bobby absolutely killed it with this detail. I do feel like today's episode is a little bit shorter than usual, so I apologize for that, guys. I know you're probably chilling in quarantine and you want longer episodes, but we have some other issues going on with the car. That's what tomorrow's video is going to be all about. Something that I didn't want to do, but I feel like if I didn't do it, I would never like the car or love the car as much as I should, if that makes sense. With that being said, I'm going to wrap up today's episode right here. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow for tomorrow's episode.